this should do?
Yeah.
Woo!
All right, we're just preparing for our food review. Mad Max over here is getting.
My dog.
Getting a little. Oh, we changed studio locations. I actually got kicked out of my my old studio because
my grandma.
I killed the producer, the writer, because he said that he didn't like my content. And
So first off, what you want to do, guys, is you want to add some.
Hey, no, this is my lunch, and it's not.
Some stuff.
Yeah, what's that?
Some stuff. Just
Here,
a little
hold
bit
it.
of salt.
You record it because
You just want a little bit of salt, okay? Just a little bit. I swear it's not a lot. It's just a little bit. You only want a little bit of salt.
Just enough to taste it.
Just enough to taste it. That should be good. You guys see it? That should be good. What you're gonna want is some Parmesan cheese. You wanna just wanna open that real quick and just pour that in, and that should be good right there. And then you're gonna want some milk. Some milk. The milk is the best. So this kid,
Hey, I'm on my lunch break.
he's eating his lunch, and looks pretty fucking good.
Yeah, Fruity Pebbles.
Some Fruity Pebbles. Back to what I was saying. You want the milk. Now this milk is just not the ordinary milk. It's some premium milk.
No, I need this.
It's premium. And now we're gonna add it to this. And he wants to add his milk. Oh my god. And then you just want to add some milk into this, just to make it nice and creamy, you know, just to make it nice. Oh fuck. Anyways, you want to put the milk back on. Looks pretty nice. Want to put your milk
Biggest spoon in existence.
milk back, and then the hot sauce is the best.
Wait, here, look at this, guys. Here, look at it.
What is the hot sauce is the best part?
What is this? This thing.
It's a fork.
All right.
Anyways, this is the hot sauce, guys. I don't know if you guys can see it, but you want to pour all that hot sauce in there. Make it nice and creamy.
Once I'm done with my lunch, I'll record it.
Nice and creamy. So you want to make it nice and creamy, and want to get your spork, your friggin' spinny thingy, and you want to spin that good around. Make it should turn yellow or green or something like that. I don't know my colors. You want to spin that all around. Put some Fruity Pebbles in there. Spin that all around. Should turn like a pink. Then you want to keep on spinning it. You want to put all your shit back. So you don't leave a big mess. This is probably family friendly. My bad. Put all your stuff back in your kitchen. You want to add some salt. So I'm telling you, this is the premium stuff right here. Premium, bro. You just want to just want to add all of it. Just say goodbye to it. You just want to add all of it. And then you want to add some pickles. Let me just get some pickles in there. Just some pickle juice as well, you know.
Dude, the pickle juice is the best part.
Pickle juice is the best part. And then what you want to do is, you think this would be good? This would be perfect, bro. I love this kind of stuff. I love this stuff. This stuff makes everything good, you know. It smells delicious.
Yeah, nothing like fumes in your eyes.
Delicious. I love this stuff. It's so good. Then what you want to do is add some,
Tastes good and it's good
some
for you,
salt.
like watermelon.
Some more salt, because salt is the best. Mix all that good around. Mix all that good. And then, should look something like this. You want to keep on mixing it. It will look something like this. It looks delicious. I'm not even going to lie. It looks obviously delicious. So you want to get all that good off. I'm going to wash my hands, and I'm going to let my friend take over. I'm going to finish lunch. Oh. Forgot the best ingredient part. Some soap, some dish soap. Well, make it scream. I'm gonna throw that away. Oh my gosh, the best part, I forgot about it.
Where's the Cheez-Its?
The best part. Some,
Whatever. There we go. Is that coffee?
yep. It's the best part. Can't forget about it.
And the Cheez-Its. The pizza
Of
Cheez-Its.
course you get the Cheez-Its.
Pizza Cheez-Its.
You want a honey bun?
Yes! I would actually love a honey bun.
Add one
What
more
is it,
honey
boy?
bun.
What is it?
Alright, you want some?
If she is, we have to pour that down the sink and just rinse it out as fast as we can.
Alright, so we just gotta pour the Cheez-Its in there real quick. Just pour all that shit in there.
Wait, that's it? That's all the Cheez-Its?
Yep. And then, I'm telling you, the honey bun is where the fun begins.
Fun begins. These are
For
like
me, because I'm gonna fucking eat it.
the last ingredients.
Mmm. Delicious. Look, record me. Mm.
Yo, I will bite the other side of that.
Delicious. Eat it.
No.
Mmm. It's fucking good. Alright. And, ooh. And leftover coffee? Yeah. A little bit.
Boom. Boom. Boom, bam, pop.
You gotta love this stuff.
This is one of our better food reviews because we got sent to a better recording studio with this thing.
This thing? What are you fucking calling this thing? Boom. Delicious.
The texture, okay.
Nice.
This is actually like, it's just chunks. It's just chunks of crap.
You're supposed to eat it cold.
Or you can look, there's still ice cubes in there.
If I were you, I would not microwave it.
These are the
because,
grossest ice cubes I've ever seen. Oh, I dropped it.
If I were you, I would not microwave it because
I got some pizza cheeses on my hand.
it'll catch on
Dude.
fire.
Yeah, this is actually, yeah, it's highly flammable because the hot sauce. Oh, dude, I thought that was your mom that walked by me.
And,
Now that my fingers are suffering from hypothermia, you rinse it under these slightly warm.
Now. Critique.
What's this?
Critique right here.
Hey,
Sugar. Critique stuff. Critique.
hey, Michael,
Mm-hmm.
we're forgetting the sugar.
Of course we need sugar. We can't miss.
We forgot like half the ingredients.
Look at this.
Just get that scoop and scoop it in there, because there's two ways to make this. There's the salty and the sweet. And then we said, well, why is there only?
Look
What?
at this. Look at this. Watch. Mmm.
That's exactly what you need. More calories.
Mmm.
You could have put another scoop in there, but that's fine.
Of course.
Put it right on this side. You put it in the middle and
Mmm.
see, how does it feel,
So
right?
yummy. I want some. Mmm. There's a pickle.
there's a pickle in there.
Some fruity pebbles. I gotta wash my hands before I get diabetes.
What is that liquid in there?
I don't know. What is that liquid in there?
That was already in there before I poured the water. I think that was just all of the crap we poured in there. Just combined.
What do you mean crap? Oh, you want some tobacco because fuck tobacco. I just gotta don't drop the whole fucking thing in there. I want some tobacco in there.
Oh, the whisk is in there still.
Get the whisk.
Find it. Oh, where it is. Smells like cigarettes in here. Thank you. And now your beautiful meal is done. Oh my, there's like a layer of sand under it. Dude, it smells like shit.
It smells delicious. What are you talking about? We want our viewers to look at this and be like, wow.
I wish I lived. I wish I was there.
Look at this delicious meal. I bet you guys are looking at your scene. You're like, damn, I want that.
Yep.
This looks delicious.
Only $200.
Only $200.
Yeah, like, cause I would pay $1 million for something that good.
Only $200 right now. This is our studio. Oh fuck! This is our studio, guys. This is the best studio ever.
This is our multi-million dollars.
Multi-million dollars right here.
Now you feed it to the dog.
Now you feed it to the dog. Don't fucking feed that shit to the fucking dog. Don't.
I'm gonna take.
That's gonna fucking conclude the video, guys. Let me do the fucking outro, you little bitch. God. Sorry, guys. My finger slipped. Okay. Okay. So yeah. Yeah, time to do the outro. Come on.
Huh? What? Oh.
Dude.
You caught me on my lunch break, but yeah, that's gonna be it for our cheese and salt soup. It got some coffee and cigarette butts in there.
Delicious. I forgot the one great ingredient. Record me here, Kenneth. Record me here. The one fantastic ingredient is this. Just gotta let it fill with some water.
It's sudsing because of the soap.
And it will slowly bake. It'll get very hot because of the hot sauce.
Like an MRE.
Like an MRE, I think. I don't know what the hell that is, but yeah, that concludes the video. Oh my god, so delicious. I'm tasting everything.
Yeah, the cockroaches. I really.
I think we're gonna have to.
What?
Well, I didn't say anything.
Yeah. So. Oh, I was supposed to.